In this video, you will learn how to do soldering without using a soldering iron. We cut the ice cream stick into several pieces and connect them together using hot glue. Using super glue, we connect the ice cream stick to the lighter. After that, I cut some of the wood using a razor and attach a nail in the created place using super glue. And we connect with a copper nail wire in place. The soldering iron is easily prepared with a lighter so that you can easily use it and do soldering without the soldering iron. Subscribe for useful and amazing techniques. Thanks for watching this video.